Welcome back, everybody. Now we're taking a look at how much, or let's just say what it looks like to be some shorting happening in Palantir. Okay? I don't know how much that is, but we can find out. And let's see, IPOE has some short interest. GameStop has a huge short interest. Huge short interest. Okay. All right, so I'm looking at the Ichimoku cloud here and looking at this red cloud cover, all right? Now, if you're not familiar with that, then you may want to get that info from somewhere else. So where is that somewhere else? Right here. highshortinterest.com. Now you can come in and just pick, your NASDAQ or AMX, NYSE, low float stocks. Okay. I don't think they should be shorting an energy company. Oil and gas. Oh, okay. I get it. American Realty Investors. You can short that for now, but that won't stand. China Finance Online. Interesting. Servotronics. I think Servotronics is probably, I don't know anything about the company, but if they make servos, those are useful and handy. Insignia Systems. Fuwei Film Holdings. Okay. 604 stocks if we go for all exchanges. Okay, and of course there's penny stocks. I don't really play in too many of the penny stocks. Look at the ones that are mostly, say shorted the most. Then we can come over to marketwatch.com/tools/screener/short tech interest. And we can see, let's see, laser, root, blink, rocket, Discovery, AMC Networks, AMCX, Geo, Wolf Petco, GameStop, okay. I see why they did that. So they got to give us, you can't just make the page big enough. You just can't make it big enough so I can see it all at one time. Okay. Anyhow. Smile Direct Club, that was one I was blabbing about last year. 25.68 short. Maybe now, but I mean, people aren't going to stop wanting to fix their teeth. Workhorse Group, I mean, I understand that. 24.28. And Blink's got some heavy shorting. But these two right here, $180 Life Sciences and Chem Farm Incorporated. Okay, KMPH, AN or ATNF. Okay. looks like it kind of broke out of that short interest, so that's not exactly, let's pull that out to the weekly. There it is. All right. So there's the short interest that's going to keep it down on the weekly. Okay, so look for a break within this wedge here. And what was the other one? Scream it out, people. KMNP? Is that it? No. KMPH. We tried. And see this big short interest. Look at that. All right. And the second that this became a short entry was right here. Okay? Right here. Okay, a black dot squeeze. Still huge short interest, but it doesn't mean that it can't pop up to here or, even here and then go back down. As it has done before and before and before. So let's see, what do we got here? The only way that we start to consider taking a position is if we get this line here to start crossing, say, through our candles, and we get our candles to cross above our cloud. Some people would take a position within the cloud, but that's a little dangerous. You wait for it to cross above the cloud and wait for, this line here, your lagging 26 period line, to cross through your candles. Okay. But it does look like we could be seeing a small bullish run. Green, red. Green, red. Okay. So I'm not even sure what this is on. What exchange or anything. All right. So one to possibly be watching. Yeah, one to possibly be watching for a big, these spiky run-ups like that. But it seems like it's volatile for day trading. But still, big, very bigly shorted. Bigly short interest. So be careful. All right. I would not hold anything overnight, and that just to manage risk. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, man, just 1 second here. We've got to let the pooch in. And I see discoveries on here. Geo. Lots of good things here. Looks like Huya's being shorted. Okay. Carparts.com is being shorted? Why? Are they not selling enough car parts? Okay. Let's check out PRTS. On the weekly, it looks like some good action. On the daily, it does have some short interest. Okay. Let's look for our 26 period, not to strike through this, but to turn around and make its direction back up through this way. All right. And let's just count out a wolf wave or a Weiss wave. All right. So from the general swing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1 to 4. All right. So look for our market to come up here. All right. That is what the, say, wolf wave or the Weiss wave might predict, okay? Now we look for particular patterns, algorithmically, mechanically, you know. So we don't have to be right all of the time, but we select patterns that are right most of the time. All right. And if we given our, action here, it looks like we're in for a blue wave next. So keep that in mind here for parts.com. We may get this jump and blast through the cloud, kind of like how we have, these times here before. All right, but watch your lagging 26 period, and when it starts to reverse and come up, and let's see, when will we have classified an entry? Okay, a good entry. This would have been a good entry. Let's see here. That would not have been a good entry. This would have been an excellent entry. With the lagging, but going way up, that's an excellent thing. But the thing is, it's 26 behind, so you see, we're way up here. It's here, so we wouldn't have saw this spike up until somewhere around here. But when this line shoots way up into the air, which we can scan for this, that's when we see this big move in action. And the experienced traders will know this is happening. They'll see that, and they'll know to get in with the run as well. So we can build an Ichimoku scanner and, work on that. Let's just say we get the, I believe it would be the Chiken. Yeah, so we would have to get the Chiken to cross above the upper Darvis box, the upper band, and we can see what type of action that gives us. And maybe even some sort of the inverse for shorting the stocks. When the Chiken crosses below the lower band, as it did here, maybe that was, another short entry. Okay. Let's see, I'm not quite positive, but AMC and AMCX. AMC Networks, okay. And then I guess it's AMC Theaters, I guess is the difference there. Okay. So maybe I should do a video just on Ichimoku. But it looks like this would have been a good signal, here when our lagging, started to come up and was above our price action. So looks like now it's starting to come down, and it hasn't gone through price action, so that's a good thing, but it looks like it's heading that way. So if it comes down and down and down and ends up going through price action somewhere around here, and then kind of consolidates and then starts to come back along, we could see a bounce to here and on up. So it looks like AMC still might come down a little bit, hoping that the cloud serves as its support. Okay, let's check out Tesla. All right, there are people putting in short orders on the daily. Stop that. Let's check out the weekly. Looks like we're trying to hit a reversal on the weekly. It wants to. People are, this is, they're pushing. In the 1 hour. Yeah, we still want to see a reversal here, though. We want to see this lagging start to come back up through our candles. It does look like the pattern says that we are in for some upwards time. There we go. So given what I'm drawing on there, we could also do that with a zigzag trend. We can pull that up too, but I'll do that in another video. So just to keep in the interest of short interest, we'll keep it short and interesting, and hit that like button, subscribe, come over to the Discord, and talk to us all, and I'll catch you in the next one.